To start off with the home loans, we're going to look at a home loan where the actual loan is 110%, and that's normally for first-time home owners. Right, we are going to look at Chapter 4, Exercise 1. Consider a house selling for $418,000 if 110% loan were to be granted at an interest rate of 11% payable over 25 years. Yes, it is possible to get 110% loan, and normally that is for first-time home owners, and that helps to pay with transfer fees, etc., etc. So how much interest would be paid on the loan? So again, we are having a look at the loan, and the house is selling for that price. The loan is going to be 110%, so that's the first thing we need to work out. So the price was $418,000, and you are going to multiply by 110%. 110%. Now remember, I always say to you, if it's part of the calculation, write it like this: 110 over 100. And if I multiply those two values, I will get 459,800. So my loan amount is going to be 459,800 rand. Now we were trying to work out the interest. So just remember that interest is going to be the real cost minus the cash price, minus the loan amount. Okay, so we are just looking at the loan. Right, so what we have to do to go and find the real cost, we have to find what the loan is. So our value is 459,800. It told you that the interest is 11% over 25 years. So we have to calculate monthly repayments, and in order to do that, we need to go to our factor table, and it is 11% interest, and we are taking it over 25 years. So remember where these two cross, so down there and down here, our factor, which is nothing but a number to multiply by. So the factor equals 9,8. It's not a percentage, it's not a rand value or anything like that. And the formula said to calculate the monthly repayments, and you will always be given this formula, you are going to take the value, the loan amount, you're going to divide it by 1,000. Now normally what they do is they write it like this, divided by 1,000 multiplied by the factor. Right, our loan amount is 459,800, so that's going to be 459,800. I am going to divide it by 1,000 and multiply by my factor, which is 9,8. I'm going to show you quickly. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a third. So that is going to be 459. So 459,8 multiplied by 9,8, and that would equal 4,506, 4,506,04, and that, remember, was the monthly repayment. So the real cost is going to be, so real cost equals your monthly repayment times the years times because this is monthly, we've got to change the years to months. So our monthly repayment is 4506,04 multiplied by 25 years times 12 months. And if I go and multiply that, I will get 351,812, and that is the real cost of the loan, real cost. So that is what you are going to be paying out. Now, what they wanted was the interest, i.e., how much more did you pay? How much more did you pay? So what you've got to do, you've got to take the final amount and you've got to minus the original loan, which was, remember, it wasn't the 418, it was the 459,800. So we're going to minus 459,800, and if I subtract those, I am going to get 892,012 rand. So that is the interest that has been paid, or that is how much the bank earned from you by taking out that loan.